Here are some few things you need to know about Anioma State. Anioma State, we have 3 senators representing Okwane, Anioma South, Eka, Anioma North, Enuane, Anioma Central. In Delta State, Senator Prince Ned Nwoko is the only senator representing the IGBO, Anioma people. If we achieve Anioma State, we will have 3 senators. We will have 1 senator representing Eka region, that's Anioma North. Another senator will represent Enuane region, that is Anioma Central. And another senator will represent Okwane region, Anioma South. With these 3 senators, the people of Anioma will be fully represented in government. Okwane, Eka and Enuane people will have a voice in government and they will have fully representation. Okwane can be governor, Eka can be governor, Enuane can be governor. We will bring back the Igbo-speaking people in Edo State, which is the Igbo Akri, Ibanke people and other Eka-speaking people back to Anioma State through boundary adjustment. They will also have a voice in government because they are Eka people and Anioma people. We will also bring back the Igbo-speaking people in Bayelsa State. The Igbos in Bayelsa State speaks Okwane language. They are Igbos, and we will make sure that we bring them back to their Okwane brothers and identify as one people. Marginalization will be destroyed and flushed out from Anioma people because Anioma land will be part of Southeast. We will no longer hear Niger Delta, South, and so on. Anioma State is an Igbo state, and Anioma State, as we look forward, will be a Southeast state. We are Igbos, and this material was written by Almighty. For more enlightenment concerning Igbo unification, you can reach his page.